In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. By the end, you'll have a brand new profile and know exactly where to add the details that help you stand out. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser works fine. In the address bar, type linkedin.com, or you can search for LinkedIn and click the official result. On the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and select Join Now to begin the sign up process. You'll be asked to enter an email address and create a password. Choose an email you check regularly and pick a strong password that you'll remember. When you're ready, click Agree and Join to move forward. Next, type in your first and last name exactly as you want them to appear on your profile. Keeping your name consistent with your professional documents makes it easier for colleagues and recruiters to find you. Click Continue. LinkedIn will then ask for your location. Choose your country and city or region. Sometimes LinkedIn detects this automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. Accurate location information helps tailor job recommendations and networking suggestions near you. Now add your job details. Select your most recent job title, choose your employment type, and enter the company you're associated with. If you're a student, select the student option instead and focus on your school and field of study. Don't worry if you're between roles. Entering your most recent information still gives others useful context. With those basics complete, your LinkedIn account is created. From here, it's time to strengthen your profile. Click Update Profile to start adding more details. Include skills, experience, and education that reflect your background. Be clear and specific. Think about what you want potential connections or employers to understand at a glance. To fine-tune individual sections, go to the top right corner, click Me, then choose View Profile. Use the pencil icon to edit each area. This is where you can update headlines, summaries, dates, and descriptions to make everything accurate and compelling. Keep your tone professional and concise. Finally, upload a profile photo and add more sections like skills, experience, or achievements. Choose a clear, friendly headshot with good lighting and a simple background. Add a few strong, relevant skills and list accomplishments that show impact. These details make your profile more discoverable and appealing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.